Symptoms of a bad steering rack. Almost all modern cars, pickup trucks, and SUVs come with a rack and pinion steering system. It converts the rotation of your steering wheel into the equivalent linear motion of your tires. If you notice anything unusual with your steering while you are driving, any signs that the steering system, or more in particular, the steering rack, may be having problems, it can be rather disconcerting. Well, in this video, we'll be talking about the symptoms of a bad steering rack. Let's get started. 1. The steering is tight. Modern rack and pinion steering systems are supported by an automatic transmission system that uses hydrostatic pressure to enable quick and easy steering column control. When the steering wheel feels stiff or is harder to turn than usual, the engine or steering rack could get hotter or experience a loss of hydrostatic fluid from the traction control system. 2. Leak of fluid. As was pointed out before, occasionally tight steering may indicate low power steering fluid levels. However, because the steering unit is hydraulically driven, the liquid volumes won't increase until there are power steering leaks in the system. As soon as you notice a problem, you should have a mechanic check the car because a worn-out steering rack is often responsible for power steering fluid leaks. 3. Steering play or loose steering. One of the potentially dangerous signs of a faulty power steering rack is that the steering will feel slack or loose. You'll also discover that the car quickly deviates from its intended path, making it challenging to keep it on track. 4. Numb spot. This technical word refers to the movement of your steering column. The steering wheel moves, but the front wheel does not. The steering rack moves as the front wheel spins. 5. Dirty steering fluid. Almost all cars on the road nowadays use hydraulic systems, which significantly reduce the effort needed to rotate a car's tires. Power steering fluid helps the steering column move and also acts as an essential lubricant and coolant. Before we dive even deeper into steering rack problems, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. Hit that subscribe button right now, so you won't miss any of our upcoming automotive insights and troubleshooting guides. So, let's continue. 6. Noises while turning. Does your car make strange or weird noises when you make low-speed turns in it? If that's the case, a steering rack that has heated up excessively might be to blame. A defective power steering rack will make rattling or whining noises as you turn the steering wheel around a bend. 7. Smell of burning oil. One of the less common symptoms of faulty rack and pinions is the smell of burning oil. Because so many various components of your car can be heated up, it might be difficult to pinpoint the cause of a burning smell. As we conclude our exploration of the symptoms of a bad steering rack, you now have a better understanding of the critical role this component plays in your vehicle's handling and safety. Recognizing the signs of a faulty steering rack can help you address issues promptly and maintain control over your car. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow drivers, and subscribe for more expert guidance. Thank you for watching, and drive with confidence.